Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about unity in diversity. Number 1. Unity in diversity means different people coming together as one. Number 2. It celebrates the uniqueness of each individual. Number 3. It brings harmony and understanding. Number 4. It promotes peace and tolerance. Number 5. It acknowledges the value of diversity in society. Number 6. Diversity adds richness and depth to our lives. Number 7. It encourages cooperation and collaboration. Number 8. People of different cultures, religions, and backgrounds live together peacefully. Number 9. It makes communities and nations strong. Number 10. Together we can achieve great things when we embrace our differences. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.